And may sasabihin sana ako, kasi ako, okay lang ba? And sobrang cute niyo po.
Sa aking kamay, handang ibigay ang lahat.
Yes, it's me.
Oh, I love you.
I love you too.
Yo, what's up guys? Muli naman nagbabalik Jeremy Nabela. Nag-isang kulot na singeres na syempre vloggeris pa. Yan. Kasama nga pala si Jetro. Ayun ang gitarist ko ngayon kasi katapos lang namin mag-cover. So mag-vlog kami ngayon at pangaharana. Hindi tayo mangungulit. Medyo lang. So, para sa inyo itong video na to. At marami kami hinandang song. Panoorin nyo na to guys. Let's go! Subscribe. Oh my God. Alam mo yan. Hi.
Hello. My bad. Sorry.
Pwede po ba kitang kantahan?
Sige, sige.
Siguro ano na lang, Bruno Mars. You know Bruno Mars?
Yeah.
When I Was Your Man, ganun.
Mm-hmm.
Para sa ito, anong name mo?
Isha.
Isha. Ako nga pala si Jeremy and si Jetro.
Okay.
You're so
Hindi maayos yung...
You're so pretty po eh. Same bed, but it feels just a little bit bigger now. Our song on the radio, but it don't sound the same. When our friends talk about it, all it does is just tear me down. 'Cause my heart breaks a little when I hear your name. And I should have bought you flowers and hold your hand. Should have give you all my hours when I had the chance. Take you at every party, 'cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. Okay lang po.
10 out of 10.
Maging tayo na.
Taga saan po pala kayo?
Cebu.
Bisaya po.
Yes.
Okay, talagang ano, no? Grabe talaga yung mga beauty nila. And may sasabihin sana ako kasi medyo nagpa-vlog kasi ako. Okay lang ba? And sobrang cute niyo po.
Sa aking kamay, handang ibigay ang lahat ng naisip mo para sa atin.
Humble. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Hi. Ano pong name nyo?
Teya.
Ay, ako nga po pala si Jeremy and si Jetro. And kung okay lang po ba, Teya, kantahan ka namin. Alam niyo po ba yung old song to, no? Na title is Maging Sino Ka Man.
Parang naririnig.
Siguro sa mga edad ng mga papa natin. Kakantahin ko sa'yo ng version ko. Para sa'yo, Teya. Ang pag-ibig ay sadyang ganyan. Tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. Dati mong pag-ibig wala akong pakialam. Basta't mahal kita kailan pa man. Huwag kang mag-isip ng ano pa man. Mga paliwanag mo'y di na kailangan. At kahit ano pa ang iyong nakaraan, mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging sino ka man. Okay lang po ba?
Galing.
Bali po kasi nagva-vlog ako, okay lang po ba? Nagva-vlog kasi ako. Kinakantahan ko yung mga tao, okay lang? Okay lang? Oh, thank you, Thea. And sana nagustuhan mo yung kanta ko sa'yo.
Ano pong vlog niya?
Ito po yung YouTube channel ko.
Subscribe.
Thank you so much, Thea. And you're so cute po, by the way. And
Thank you pa.
parang marami po kayong boyfriend eh.
Hala po.
Thank you so much and
Thank
good
you.
morning na din. Bye-bye. Hi.
Hi.
Can I sing a song for you?
Yes, I can.
You know Bruno Mars?
Yeah.
I'm gonna sing to
24
you.
Magic.
I'm gonna sing to you like When I Was Your Man. You know that song?
Oh.
Oh yeah, this for you. What's your name?
Madina.
Magina. My name is Jeremy and this is Jethro. And
Nice to meet
this
you.
song is for you and I hope you like it.
Okay.
Hmm. Same bed, but it feels just a little bit bigger now. Our song on the radio, but it don't sound the same. When our friends talk about it, all it does is just tear me down. 'Cause my heart breaks a little when I hear your name. That I should have bought you flowers and hold your hand, give all these hours, take a chance, take to it everybody, 'cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man.
Wow.
Is it good?
It's 100 and million% good.
Oh, thank you so
It's
much.
great.
By the way, you look so very cute.
Thank you. You too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kazakhstan.
You know Philippines? We are from the Philippines.
Yes, I know. So
Oh.
you're like too good. You know, like your song and your singing. So
Oh.
cool.
Thank you so much.
I wish you good luck.
It's
I will search you in Spotify. I think
yeah,
in the
yeah.
future. Like,
Here my name. Hear my name daw na. Here.
okay,
And you can follow me on Instagram. I'll follow you back.
okay. I'm doing right now this.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Oh my god. I will listen your song like every day.
Oh, thank you. I'm gonna follow you back.
Yes, it's me.
Oh, I love you.
I love you too.
We're happy low-key. I don't care what people might think it's crazy. Ayos lang sa'kin basta we're happy low-key. Happy low-key, yeah, happy low-key.
Oh, I'm gonna follow you back.
No, I have something here.
I just
No.
wanna saging kamay.
Oh.
Handang ibigay ang lahat ng naisip mo para sa atin. Paglalakbay ang iyong kamay.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't.
Why?
I don't know, just like didn't met.
Oh. Now you met. Now you met. Now you met. I'm here.
Oh,
I'm gonna follow you back. And if you want to message me, do it. Thank you so much.
thank you too. Have a
And
good day.
I hope to see you soon and I love you. Bye bye.
Okay.
Play ako dun eh. Nakalimutan ko na eh. Hi guys.
Hi.
Pwede ko yung kantahan.
Pwede.
Alam niyo yung kantang Maging Sino Ka Man? Ni Ray Valera. Sige, version ko. Ang pag-ibig ay sadyang ganyan, tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. Dati mong pag-ibig wala akong pakialam, basta't mahal kita kailan pa man. Mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila hindi mahalaga, mahal kita maging sino ka man. Okay lang ba?
Ganda ng boses ah.
Ano bang name nyo? Mia and?
Janet.
Nice to meet you guys. And
Bakit mo pinapakita yung kasama mo?
si Jetro nga pala.
Kay kuya, ang galing mo mag-gitara.
Galing no, idol yan. Thank you so much guys ha.
Bye-bye. Thank
Love you guys. Bye-bye. Hi. Pwede ba itang kantahan? Alam mo yung Come What May by Air Supply? Sige, this para sa ito. Ano name mo? Kim? Okay. When she looks at me, I know the girl says things that nobody else can see. All of the secret fears inside and all the craziness I hide. She looks into my soul and reads me like nobody can. And she doesn't judge the man, she just takes me as I am. Come what may, she believes, and that fate is something I've never known before. Come what may, she loves me, and the love has helped me open the door, making me love myself a little more. Okay lang ba?
Yeah.
Okay lang ba na nagbi-video ko?
Like what video?
Nag-vlog kasi ako eh. And thank you po sa
Thank you.
pagtanggap ng boses ko.
No, you do good. Ang
Thank,
galing.
thank you so much. Sana po ma-follow nyo ako sa lahat ng social media ko.
Sure. Got it.
Same lang din po.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.